Hey, my Princess House friends and family, Lindabradley here. I wanted to share with you tonight one of the great customer specials that's going on right now. We have so many, sometimes you can miss them, and I don't want you to miss this one because it's a really special one. So this is part of our Fantasia Fresh Collection. It's my absolute favorite collection, and I think it should be yours too, and I'm going to tell you why. So these pieces are made of borosilicate glass. So the bottom is completely oven safe, microwave safe, dishwasher safe, refrigerator safe, and freezer safe. The lids are a combination of BPA-free plastic and silicone. So they cannot go in the oven, but they can do everything else. And the reason I love these pieces is because you can use them to prep your foods. You can use them to cook your foods. You can then serve them at the table, right? They're beautiful. They can go right at the table. When you have leftovers, put them right back in the refrigerator with the lid. The next day, pull them out of the refrigerator, put it in the microwave, heat them back up again, serve them at the table, and then just put them in the dishwasher. I love them. And the fact that they're clear, your leftovers will get eaten. Sometimes when you put them in the refrigerator in those colored plastic containers, nobody knows what they are and they just kind of get shoved to the back. So this is a very special set for one reason. The lids are red. Normally our lids are green, and this is a very special set. So let me show you what it includes for you to take advantage of. So it has some of the most popular sizes. You're going to get 2 of the 1 cup, right? This is great for people with little kids, toddlers and such. Then we have the 2 cups. You're going to also get a set of 2 cups. This is great for when you're going to work and taking food with you, good size. Then you're going to get 2 of the 6x8, and these are a bigger size, right? So for a larger family. And then you're going to get 1 of the 9x13. Your 9x13 will have the red lid. I just didn't have it. So this whole set is on sale for $154, and then of course you just put tax and shipping. But listen, I have 2 extra things to tell you. So number 1, you can take it on layaway if you want. You can start with just $50 and make 6 payments of $22.41 each, and then the set is yours. We keep telling you to think early about the holidays this year, so think about this in regards to gifts. Maybe you have daughters or sons, they're married, they need things, right? So the one with the little baby, go ahead and give them 2 of the 1 cup. The one that has goes to work and needs lunch, go ahead and give them 2 of the 2 cup. The one with a larger family, give them 2 of the 6x8, and maybe you keep this one for yourself or give it to somebody who likes to bake. So you can actually have 4 gifts out of this, right? It doesn't all have to be just for you. It is perfect for one kitchen. And I am offering a bonus, and I just want to show you, these are our little leaf bowls. They're so cute. They look like a leaf. They're in the stoneware. And I am offering a pair of these as an extra gift along with this specific set. So just reach out to me, Lindabradley at myprincesshouse.com, and I'll be happy to get you set up. You can pay in full or do layaway. Like I said, you can either do the payments that I've just described for you, or we can work it up a completely different way. I just wanted to make sure you did not miss this special. I like things that are pretty and practical, and the Fantasia Fresh fits the bill. All right, Lindabradley at myprincesshouse.com.